Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a down and dirty technique for drawing buildings in two-point perspective. You don't need any special tools as long as you've got Photoshop. So I'm going to make a new layer here, and I'm just going to hold the Shift key down to draw a vertical line. Hold the Shift key down and draw a horizontal line. Again, hold the Shift key down, draw another vertical line going back up. Basically, we're creating a box. The next step is to make a brand new layer, and then what you're going to do is simply draw a window. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a few copies of this window by hitting Command or Control J, use the Move tool, and hold down the Shift key. And holding down the Shift key constrains the movement in the horizontal direction that we're dragging it on. So now that we have that, let's merge those three windows together by Shift selecting them and then hitting Command E. Command E merges those three layers into one. And then from there, on that same layer, we're going to just draw two lines like this. These are just basically, parts to make the building look a little bit more interesting. Next, we're going to simply duplicate what we have, Command J. We'll do that a few times. All you're doing is making a copy, holding down the Shift key, and dragging the copies down. I'm going to stop there, hold the Shift key down, just make some adjustments. There we go. I can then merge those layers together. And let's create a little base here at the bottom. We'll just create a door. Again, holding the Shift key down all the way. And then what we'll do is we'll just add a few little lines to denote the texture. These are basically like bricks. Okay. Now let's merge those two layers together. So we have everything in one layer. Let's make a copy of that by hitting Command J, move it off to the side. On the original layer that you just made, if you hit Command T and right click inside of that transform tool, choose perspective. Grab one of the corners with your mouse and click and drag downward. Hit enter. Go to the other layer that you just copied, the duplicate, Command T, perspective, drag it downward. Try to match the sides and then hit enter and move it into position. Now you've got a building. And what you can do just to make this a little bit more believable, you can add an entrance. You can add some pillars or columns, put some signs on the windows, fill colors in, and you can even add something like a water tower, because who doesn't like water towers? So there you go. Simple way of making buildings in two-point perspective using just the tools that you have within Photoshop. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up so more folks can find it. As always, I thank you for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.